Hello people, we're at a campsite. This is actually a paid campsite today. I'm testing out a Gear dome tent that was sent to me to try out and review. I'm in my canvas French Army tent and my sister's in this big tent. My brother and kids will be coming along soon with their tents. My daughter's trying this one out. She slept in it before, she liked it and it's her favourite colour. So she'll be in there, I'll be in here. In there I've got my 4-season bag. On top is a silk liner. I'll get into that night. And also from Gear, I've been sent this blow-up mat, sleep pad mat, whatever you like to call it, to try out. So I've got that on the reflective film. It's quite warm tonight, so that'll do us. So my brother's on his way, and we're going to have a little fire down there. Just having a walk around site. Got one of these pillboxes there. Put a link at the end to a previous video to this campsite. Toilets over there. Hello. Washroom. Don't really bother with all that. And around here you've got like a little shop thing. Apparently they sell alcohol to 4 o'clock.
Oh yes, Rickles.
Hello. Hello. Plonker. Pepperoni. Italian. Nice.
Clink.
Oh, clinky clinky.
Clinky clink.
Yep, it's not bad. Tinny. Expensive.
What does these little mirrors do?
It helps hold the heat in, it's a reflector thing.
Okay, that's meatballs.
Yeah.
You will learn at school. Do you have school? Sounds like you don't. Let's try it.
Tom there looking rather handsome. His colourful umbrella. I'm having some pizza that I've robbed off Chrissy, thank you. And Evie had hot dogs, the round hot dogs. Meatballs. Tom's got burger and chips. I think it's like £28 or something. Pretty good. Christine got a pizza which was £55. We had dinner. Just go check out the river. Got a rods here. I'm bringing out just my little float bod here. Come down by this river here. Go try a bit. Hello. How random. For after our bread. Well, I think that fishing spot's over before it started. Out in the country, in the middle of nowhere pretty much. We've just got a duck. Is it duck for dinner? It will be if it gets on the end of the line. Come down to this bit of the river. I think I fished here before. I had to look through my videos, but I got a few bites, but nothing really. No luck there. Would have been better if I had maggots. Using bread and sweet corn. Sun's setting, so we gotta head back. Got the fire on the go. Just go chill out now as much as we can. Kids are still over there playing. So I'll say good night now. Good night now. Good morning, campers. It's about 10 to 8. I stayed up a bit last night because there's a noise in the bush. I leaned against that tree in the dark, and till the noise got close, turned the light on, and it was a young badger, which is pretty cool. It's nice seeing a young badger in its natural environment. Had breakfast, now going out on the walk. We're gonna go in Bodiam Castle. out the campsite. A little fire on the go, had a coffee and that.
Yeah. I got it.
Use this one for a long time. So for tonight I'll go have sketty meatballs.
What does she like, Tom? Does she like chips?
Yeah, she likes chips and stuff.
Get some cheesy chips.
What I was going to do is, you've got this, don't do that, pour them in there, that's got a bit, and get some there.
Hey, it's starting it now.
Crossbow?
Okay.
Oh.
Meatballs on there, and just for a few minutes, and that'll be done. Meatballs, leave it. Just finished dinner. Me and Evie had meatballs and sketty. All playing over there, new friends, and funny enough, I've been recognised tonight by a family over there. They said it's my fault that they're camping here. It's in one of my previous videos. That's a good thing. And if you're watching this video, it was nice to meet you, and thanks for watching, much appreciated. Glad someone got some good from it. It's about 8:30. I'm settling down. Well, I'm trying to. So we just go chill out by the fire now. Have a coffee and that. So I'll say good night now. Good night now. Good morning, campers. It's the last day. Slept alright last night. I woke up a couple of times, but yeah. I think we just, well, by the looks of it, Tom's packing away already. I think we just go pack away and leave. So I'll say thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Cheers. Bye.